Hello and good morning on day 5, I guess. Today's the 6th, so yeah, day 5. I got a cold or something. My throat hurts so much, and like my nose was full the whole night, so. But yeah, today is the day! Today is the workshop at 1 Million with Hazen. I'm kind of excited, like what type of I hate this word, choreography. Got it. She's doing, but yeah, it's still early in the morning kind of, and I don't know actually what to do. So I'm gonna get coffee as always, and in the evening I'm gonna meet with an old friend of mine from the embassy, and he was like kind of worried I will not find the studio because my orientation is not the best, and so he actually bring me there, which is so nice of him. And yeah, so we meet him in the evening, and until then I'm just gonna go eat and explore a little bit more. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited but so nervous. It's later in the evening, it's time to go. I'm like so nervous, you can't imagine. I'm like shaking. You can see it. I'm really shaking. Maybe you can see it. My phone is a little bit shaky. I'm so nervous. I don't know why. I mean, like, I met her before and I've been to a few workshops before too, but I don't know, it's something different now since I'm here and I'm gonna be there. And like, I don't know if I'm the only one, but every time I go to a workshop, I feel like, or I got the feeling like, or I'm scared that I am like the worst. I'm not good enough to dance there. I'm not a good dancer anyways. And then I got like, she posted what kind of choreography or what kind of song she's teaching today. It's not my favorite song, and I'm kind of scared that it's more like a hip-hop-y kind of thing. I'm more like feminine dance, dancehall kind of stuff. So, I'm kind of scared that this will be like too much for me or like too hard for me. And like my goal is to be picked for the video in the end, but I don't think I'll get this today because, as I said, not my song, not my kind of genre. So let's see. I'm shaking now, you can tell. Okay, let's go, let's do this, and just wish me good luck. Okay, I can't just grasp what happened. I waited for that day for like 3 or 4 years, and then it's over so fast. I can't, oh my god. I got so many stuff, you can't imagine. I don't know what to say. So, as I said, I met Hazel before in Germany, and she really recognized me, and I don't know, she came to me and she came to me and she hugged me, and we did some really cute photos, and her choreography was so hard. I thought I would be dying. So I made my way into the room, sorry. She was so nice, but the choreography was so hard. I thought I would be dying. But it was so much fun, and like being at 1 million, I never thought this would actually happen. This is like a dream come true. I don't know. I do look like, yeah, I sweated a lot. But I did it! And she picked me actually. I don't know if I'll be in the video on 1 million then, but she picked me and I was like, what? That was so amazing. And I lost my freaking nail. Oh, I gave full power, so I lost my freaking nail and I was like, fuck. But yeah, I'm so full of adrenaline right now and I'm so happy. You can't freaking imagine. I could cry. Oh my god, what's happening? Okay. So I'm a weirdo and yeah, I had a lot of fun and I think it was one of the best workshops that I've ever been to. It was a completely different style for me. I've never danced anything like that and I had a lot of fun, but I never thought she would pick me because, as I said, it's a completely new style for me and guys, I'm done with my life right now. But yeah, I did it. I'm proud of me and yeah, that's it basically for today. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm gonna sleep very well tonight. So, see you tomorrow. Still can't believe it! Good morning on a very, oh, what's this? Okay, on a very, very rainy Monday. I'm still kind of excited from yesterday. My throat hurts a lot, my body hurts a lot, but I'm feeling great. Yeah, it's really, really rainy outside today. I don't know what I'm doing actually, to be honest. I'm planning to go to the Moomin Cafe, which is right around my corner. Hopefully they're open because the internet is a little bit complicated what it says there, so yeah. And yeah, just trying to be spontaneous, but with the rain it's like hard. I was like thinking about going to Hangang today, but with the rain it's not that nice either, so yeah, just going with the flow today, I guess. And yeah, I'm gonna take you with me and let's see what today happens. I had a really nice evening, like really nice. We ate some really delicious food. We had some galbi and naengmyeon and kimchi jjigae, but the kimchi jjigae was a tad too spicy for me, not for my liking, but like for my stomach. So I wasn't really able to eat that, but I ate naengmyeon for the first time and I really loved it. It's so delicious, and galbi as well. And then after that, we went to a really cool cafe. What was the name again? Baisan? I think it was Baisan. Like, it was really cool. Like, the interior design was awesome. It was freaking amazing. It was like so colorful and so like freaky and like totally my style. I made a new friend, like a pineapple. I called him Sean, so I don't know. Don't ask. So yeah, that was it for today, and tomorrow. So also, I survived going by train for the first time on my own for like 30 minutes or something, so I'm so proud of myself. I finally did it, guys. I survived and I'm not lost. So yeah, tomorrow I'm planning to go to Hongdae by myself, maybe. And in the evening I'm meeting a good friend of mine, and I don't know actually what we're doing yet. We planned on going to Hangang, but I don't know if we're doing it or not. But he said like, yeah, we're going to different places, you like it, so I guess I like it. Anyway, so yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings. I'm gonna end it here. Maybe I'm gonna read my book or something because it's not that late now, or I'm gonna edit some videos or watch some Netflix. I don't know yet, but yeah, that's it for today, and I'm gonna bring you guys tomorrow as well, as always, and see you guys tomorrow then. Good night.